Okay, so you have created teacher info table as well, right?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. Teacher ID, teacher name, sounds good. Okay, so
Hmm.
now next task is Suma, that we have to fill the data into these three master tables. First thing,
Insert. Yeah.
okay, and then second, in second scenario, we'll figure out how to maintain the relationship between. So we have to create two more tables.
Hmm.
One is for the relations between teacher and subject, which teacher teaching which subject. So we'll
Okay.
create one
Hmm.
more transactional tables where we'll add teacher ID and subject ID, teacher ID and subject ID. Okay, so this is
Okay.
how I will understand this teacher teaches two
Hmm.
subjects, this teachers
Hmm.
teaches these subjects. So but in this case we will not add any teacher name or subject name, we'll add only
Okay.
IDs, so avoid the duplicacy. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the one
Hmm.
table that we'll create. And second tables we will create is for now, this is a relations between teacher and subject. Now
Parent
next scenario is that
Okay.
we have
Hmm.
to follow the relations between the student with subject. Got it?
Student, subject, and teacher and
Teach.
subject.
Yeah, so there is.
One with the master table and the sub child table,
Hmm,
and two are like child tables only.
right,
Subject and
right, so we have to create first we will create a teacher and subject relationship table. Okay,
yeah.
and once that is created, subject and teacher, then we will create a student and subject.
Is there any rule like first we have to go with teacher and subject and then subject, student and subject?
Yeah, there is rule
Because
because yeah,
we
there
know
is.
that student is our master table.
Correct. So,
Hmm.
so the rule is simple, right? First, we have to create the
Hmm.
master tables, because
Yeah.
without create the primary key, you can't create the foreign key, right?
Yeah.
So these are the
Hmm.
three tables, which is very important,
Yeah.
right? Now, the
Hmm.
transactional tables or child tables you can create. First, we'll create teacher subject
Teacher
info,
and subject. Yeah.
okay,
Hmm.
and then we'll create student and subject,
Hmm.
okay. Because from
Okay.
subject, I will understand who is the teacher, because we are creating one more for teacher and subject. So,
Subject.
okay, so you can add the data later, but let's create these two tables. Okay, first, then you can later add this sample data into that. That's fine.
There is like one more table I have to create.
Yeah, two more
Same
tables.
like this. Two
Yeah,
more tables.
we have to create two more tables. So these are the master tables. This is clear, right?
Okay,
These
okay,
are the
got it,
three.
got it.
The one time
Yeah,
entry will go here. Okay.
yeah,
The
yeah, got
one
it.
now
Yeah.
we are creating a transactional tables, or you can call it as a child table. So here we'll
Okay,
maintain the
okay.
relationship between them
These
using.
all three are master tables now.
Correct. These three are master
Okay,
tables
okay.
and one time entry will go there. Now these are the
Hmm.
transactional tables, or you can call it as a child table. So where we'll do the relationship between using
Okay,
primary key and foreign key. So just go create table teacher subject info.
okay.
Teacher subject info.
Okay.
Hmm. Now tell me what are the columns will come here. And if you understand this, you will understand everything.
So we are going to combine both. First,
So
teacher
before that,
ID and subject ID.
before that, first we always create one column, right? First table with identity column. So you have to add first this column, right?
Hmm. I didn't get, sorry.
So every times we add one identity column now. So for this
Yeah.
table also we'll add one identity column first, right?
Huh. That will be
ID column. Maybe you can give that as a student subject info ID. That's fine. The same way,
okay.
student ID, order ID, teacher ID, right? Subject ID. Same way for this table also you have to
So
add one
combined
ID.
one, I have to give one identity.
No, no. See, the teacher info table is there, right? So for teacher
Hmm.
info table, we have given first teacher ID.
Yeah, ID.
That is the
Yeah.
primary key, and then we added a
Hmm.
teacher name. So for every tables to uniquely identify that row, we are creating the
Hmm.
identity column. So for this table also we have to create one identity column, right? So we have to create
Yeah.
one ID column for this as well, right?
This subject info ID.
Yeah,
That will
correct.
be too
Yeah,
long.
y- Yeah, that's okay, but that's fine. But that is required, so you can add because that will help you for from the readability point of view, right?
Okay. Okay. After this,
Now, okay, so that identity column is created. Now you tell me what are the two columns we required here to
sorry,
have the
I have
relationship.
not added primary key here.
Yeah, you have to add it.
Primary key. Yeah. Now I have to add, I don't know, teacher ID. I don't know.
Now see,
Teacher name and the subject name.
see,
No.
uh, s- see. Now in this table, we are going to make a relationship between the teacher and subject, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
how I can identify a teacher using the teacher ID? Why should I put the teacher name here? It will be
Hmm.
duplicate data,
Yeah.
right? Why should I put the teacher name?
Okay, I should put teacher ID. Uh,
Correct. You have to add
int,
teacher ID, right?
int,
Yes, yes, yes. Int,
and
int, and you
int
have to
references.
foreign key. Correct.
References
References
foreign
that
key.
tables and foreign key. Correct.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Teacher ID. In references foreign key. Teacher ID same for subject ID.
Correct. Do you have your notes handy with you?
Right now,
Yeah.
like I have it here.
Okay. Perfect. You
Yeah.
may. You
I'm
may.
doing without seeing
No, no, no,
actually.
no, no. See, no. Don't take me wrong. What I'm saying, why I'm saying, you may need help of that code. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
like
Yeah. I
I
know you're.
have
Yeah, I know
yeah.
you're doing this on without watching that, but I'm saying
Yeah.
you may need that because okay.
Yeah, 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 definitely,
Hmm,
yeah.
hmm.
But I have till only fourth session. I have not made after like joins and all. I have not made that.
No
Today I'll
problem.
sit and do
No
it.
problem.
Yeah.
No problem at all. Don't
Yeah.
worry. Yeah. For subject also subject ID also you need that references.
I am glad that I am able to remember at least.
Perfect. I'm also happy for this. At least
Yeah.
you're understanding the
Like I
concepts.
have watched these like I'll watch your video first once. I'll
Hmm.
make notes and then I'll sit for practicing.
Practice.
So I'm doing it for like two times.
Perfect.
That way I'm able to remember it.
Perfect.
That's it. Like teacher ID, subject ID, it's done.
Yeah, yeah, it's done actually. You just have to make sure that code is correct actually. That integer
There
from
is a mistake. It says
little bit. You can go through your notes and you can check that what is missing there.
point. What is called? Okay. I have to put the column name.
Right.
References customer and table and
Hmm. Correct.
table with column name.
Correct. So that
Okay.
teacher ID is references to which and where you have to put that foreign key
Foreign
before
key
references or after references.
before.
Okay, no problems. I
Okay.
want you to make that mistakes actually. So this is how you will
Yeah.
learn and you will remember that actually. So that's
I
fine
thought
if
I was right. Okay. Teacher ID first foreign key references. Okay, got
yeah.
it. Yeah. Okay, I'm wrong here.
You just cut paste now. Why are you cutting all this?
Yeah, foreign foreign key. Foreign key. Okay. Reference.
Foreign key space. Foreign key.
Okay. Teacher info.
Correct.
Teacher ID.
Perfect. Sounds good. That's correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me the meaning
Mhm.
of this 27 line.
Teacher ID. This references to the our
Hmm.
teacher info table.
Correct. So this
Yeah.
is a teacher ID. You have teacher subject info table. So in this you
Yeah.
have the teacher ID. The data type is integer, and that's nothing
Yeah.
but foreign key. This is a foreign key, foreign key
Hmm.
means it is references to the one of the master table. And which is the
Master
master
table.
table? Teacher info is my
Teacher
master table.
info. Yeah.
Is master table and teacher ID is my
Yeah.
column. So whatever the values in that your teacher info table, that
Mhm.
ID column value will become here only, no other than
Yeah.
this, right? So this is how you are creating a strong relationship between primary key and foreign key. So that means teacher ID and teacher subject info. So this is how
Yeah.
this is the constraint, right? So this is how you are
Yeah.
strongly connected with that two tables with this
Hmm.
primary key and foreign key. And the same way
Okay.
you will do for a subject ID, right?
Yeah.
Now write the code for this.
Foreign key references. Okay. Okay. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. I'll just execute it.
Yeah, if it is
Yeah.
executed successfully, that means it's correct.
Yeah.
Mhm. Now you have to create one more table, okay, and that will
Yeah.
depend the relationship between the subject and student,
Got it. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Student STI, why? So just make STU,
Okay. Sorry.
STU. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's cosmetic changes. Even I work in big organization, big companies. I see this is the some
Yeah.
spelling mistake happens, but that will not impact your functionality. This is from database side
Yeah. Yeah.
actually. So that's
Yeah.
that's still fine.
Okay.
Correct.
I'll type it so that I'll remember it again.
Yeah, yeah, perfect.
Foreign.
This is a best practice actually, can do.
Yeah. It shows some error here. Reference subject ID.
Spelling mistake. E is missing there.
Okay, okay. E is missing. References and subject. Subject ID info. Okay.
Why
Okay.
it is subject ID?
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
There is still one more. Okay.
No, that's correct, right? You just have to remove that column
Yeah.
and you are done.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Execute that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds good. Now tell me the meaning of this table. Why I created the student ID, subject ID, foreign key references, and that identity column. Just explain me, because why I'm asking you, because
Mm-hmm.
I want you to populate all this data. You have to insert the data into all these three master tables and two child tables. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you, what is the meaning
Okay.
of this?
Um, is it to show
No, it is just to maintain the
relationship
relationship between the student and subject.
relationship between the
Subject
yeah,
and yeah. So when
yeah.
you'll add Suma, Kiran, and Sunil
Hmm.
as a student, right? So
Hmm.
you have to assign them a subject, right?
Hmm.
So how you will assign the subject to them in this table? So here you will add
Hmm.
the student ID for Suma 111, right? And
Hmm.
you add the subject ID. Let's say physics, maths, chemistry. So you'll add the
Hmm.
subject IDs 1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
Kiran,
Yeah.
student ID 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then
Hmm.
subject ID physics, maths, chemistry, biology 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Right? So you will maintain
Yeah.
that relationship. So you will add the IDs there.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Hmm.
so now task for you. I think I am running a bit late. Okay, I have some
Yeah. Yeah.
priority work, but
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
want
Sure.
you, I want just save this file, okay, in your local.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and I want you to fill insert the data for all these five tables. Okay, the
5
meaningful
table.
data. Yeah, for these five tables,
Hmm.
three master tables and two child tables. Okay, you have to
Okay.
insert the
Okay.
data based on that, where I have shared one
Hmm. Hmm.
screenshot with
Hmm.
you, right? So you can save this screenshot also with you on your local.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Like okay. Hmm.
That data, okay, student
Hmm.
actual data you have to insert. For student
Okay.
Suma, Kiran, Sunil.
Hmm. Hmm.
For
Hmm.
teacher, you have to add the teachers, you have to add the subjects, and then IDs will generate it. So then you have to insert those IDs here in the teacher subject info and then
Hmm. Hmm.
student subject
Okay.
info. So you have to add this data. So now task for
Okay.
you, now you can sit down and you can
Yeah. Yeah.
watch this again. Take your time. Okay, it's
Hmm. Hmm.
absolutely fine. Just
No.
take
No. No.
whatever time you
I'll
want to
do
take.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, take your time, insert the data, populate the data, and maybe we
Hmm.
can connect tomorrow. We'll review that. If you need any help on top of this, we'll generate this data and then we'll go for join to generate that meaningful report. Got it?
Okay, okay. Got it, got it. Yeah, I'll
Okay.
insert the data for all these tables.
Yes, you have to insert all
Yeah,
this data, and then we'll go for the joins. And I will
sure.
check if the data is correct, you have inserted the correct data or not, and based on that,
Mhm.
we'll go for the further steps. Okay. Any doubt, any
Oh, sure.
questions on
No, no,
on,
no,
on this? No?
no, no, no.
Good. So far, so
Only
clear?
one doubt I had was
Mm-hmm.
why did we not like create, while we were creating child table,
Mm-hmm.
you said first it should be like, is there any rule like first we have to take teacher subject only and student subject? It's fine, right? However we take.
Yeah, that's fine.
That
Same,
is fine. Yeah.
that is fine. First, you have to create the master tables and then the child tables. In child tables, you don't have rules. Even you can
Okay.
create first student subject info first,
Uh-huh.
and then
Okay.
you will realize, oh, I added the student and subject, but for that
Okay.
subject,
Okay.
who is the teacher? So I have to add a teacher subject info. So you'll realize that.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is they
Okay.
are correlated. So that's fine. If you first, even if you create a student subject info, you'll realize
Got
I have created relations for student and subject, but I need relations for subject and teacher as well. So I have to create one more
Mm-hmm.
table. So you'll understand that. So don't worry. That's absolutely fine. So
Okay.
even if you create first this table, student
Hmm.
subject info, and then you create a teacher subject info, still that's fine because these are the child tables, and you are
Hmm.
taking a reference from the master table. So
Would
only
we
one
create
on
like one more table also like teacher, student? No, right?
teacher student. Okay, now you tell
Hmm.
me the good question. Now you tell me the we have the subject, student and subject is there, right? And from this I can easily figure out I have the student, I have the subject, and
Hmm.
I have from the subjects I can find out the teacher because there is a teacher subject relationship already is there,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So
Yes. Yes.
I don't need student and teacher relationship because there is
Hmm.
student and teacher don't have direct connection,
Hmm. Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Student,
Yeah.
because a student enroll for the four subjects, so for these
Hmm.
four subjects maybe a teacher one teacher can teach multiple subjects, right?
Hmm.
Got it?
So here like subject is the like main. It has, I
Hmm.
don't know how to
Yeah,
put
yeah, yeah.
it like.
I understand that subject is the
Hmm.
main point here. That a
Hmm.
student is
It
directly
connects to like both
correlated with the
student and
subjects.
teacher. Yeah.
Yeah, and teacher is correlated with the subjects.
Hmm. Correlated. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right? Of course,
Hmm.
there is a relation between the student and teacher as well, but they are
Hmm.
not tightly coupled,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? The subject is
Got
tightly
it.
coupled with student, subject is tightly coupled with teacher,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
right? So that's why
So
we have
if
created these two.
we
Hmm.
if we had like four tables, what if we had like one more table?
Hmm. One more
Like
table for what? For teacher, student.
master tables, like now we have three tables. What if we had one more table?
That's fine. You can have the n number of master tables. That's not a
Huh.
problem.
Okay.
It's all about relationship. Let's say
Hmm.
I will create one more master table. So let's say in that maybe I can store the grades. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
of that
Yeah.
grades for that subject, or maybe grades
In
for
that
teacher.
case, it will be like grade and subject
Yes,
info.
exactly. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Grade
Got
and
it.
subject. Perfect.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Okay, sounds
Clear.
good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so just do the practice again, understand the schema, and based on that, just populate the data. Okay,
Hmm.
and we'll
Yeah.
review the data, and based on that, we'll go for the join. Okay,
Sure. Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
okay, perfect. Thank you.
The
Let me
session
stop.
was really nice.